slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So today we're going to learn about Microsoft Word. So basically, Microsoft Word is a software that is commonly used by user. So basically, people use Microsoft Word to create a document, lab report, and so on. So here, uh, today we're going to learn about this software which is Microsoft Word. So here I already prepared a scenario for us to see. So here Jimmy is conducting research on campus Wi-Fi usage at his university. He gathers information about the numbers of users, average internet speed, and weekly complaints from several areas, including the library, cafeteria, lecture halls, and dormitories. His goal is to analyze the data to identify which applications have the best and weakest Wi-Fi performance and to suggest possible improvements for better connectivity across the campus. So for the first column, we can see here we have campus area for library, cafeteria, lecture halls, and dorms. And for the next column, which is average daily uses, for library we have 420, cafeteria 310, lecture halls we have 760. For dorms we have 540. For average speed in megabyte per second, so for library we have 48.2, cafeteria 25.6, and lecture halls we have 62.1, and for dorms we have 21.4. And for complaints per week, for library we have 3, cafeteria we have 6, and lecture halls we have 2, dorms we have 9. So now we're going to help Jimmy to create the document, the Word document for him. So right here, this is the sample for our document. So first we can add the title of the document. So for example here I just add this research on campus Wi-Fi usage. So right here we can just include the title of the file, and you can adjust the font if you want the Maya.JD, so just use Maya.JD. If you want Times New Roman, just use Times New Roman. So you can choose if you want the big one like this title, you can choose title so it become bigger. So I just use the alias sample. So right here, so we can use that for here. Here we can choose, for example I use title, so I just edit this table to under the title and just choose this text to center, and now it will become the title of the document. So if you want to insert the table, we just go to insert and table, just insert what size of table that we want. So for example, we can choose 4 times 5, so just insert the table and fill the blank in the table. And as you can see the example here, I just make it into this data from the Jimmy's data. As you can see here, we can include the image from insert tab, pictures, and you can choose this device if you already have the image, or find online pictures. Okay, so we just include the image, and if you want to edit the image format, you can see here we have position and wrap text. You can explore it. Okay, next we're going to learn about the layout. So here we can see that we have a lot of option of matching, like normal, moderate, and wide. You can choose based on your preference, and then we can choose either we want to make it landscape, portrait, and the size of the page if you want to F4 or F5 or letter or any size of the pages. And column basically we just turn a paragraph into separated right, left, and based on this option 2 3 left, right. So for word spacing, we can see here spacing, so we just insert any spacing that we want, or make it just 2 to make it easy. And we can see here position, for the position of the image. If you want to edit the image, you want to the center of the page, or anywhere that you want. Next, we can see here we have hyperlink. So this hyperlink, we can actually a link from website, so we can insert the link. For example, if you creating a case study, you can insert the link for your references. So you can include the link in the file, and the link will underline and become blue. And for next, we're going to learn about footer and header. So here, if you double click at the top side of the page, we have header. So here you can choose if you want any type of header. And the footer, here you can choose any type of footer. If you want to number the page, you can choose here. So you can choose either it's top of page, bottom of page, or you want to make it at the margin of the page, based on your preference. For example, here I just use at the left side for header, and footer just left side. And next, for the table of content, you can go to references and table of content. So here we have automatic and manual. So automatic, if you're lazy to include the title of your document, so you just choose automatic. So right here I just choose manual to make it easy for me to include the title manually, to make it easy to insert. So basically you can custom the title here by choose manual. So here you can edit it. And next, Microsoft Word also have feature called autocorrect. So if we type the wrong spelling error, it will change automatically, or it will pop up with this line, which is red curly line. So it shows that the word is wrong. So it will show the suggestion for the word. For example, right here, you can see it already changed into the correct one. And if you are done with this document, you can save it either from file, save, or save as. So you can save in your desktop or any file that you want. But if you want to export it into PDF, you can go to export and create PDF. And you can see here, you will get the PDF, or you want to change into another type of file. So you just choose change file type. And I think that's all from me, and I hope that this video will help you to learn more to do document on Microsoft Word, and I hope that you can explore it by yourself. And that's all from me. Thank you.